In this country, if you don't have the problem documented, then people think you made it up. Dr. Aida Giachello is a world-renowned sociologist whose methodologies and training curricula are being adopted across the globe. She has dedicated her life to giving Latinos a voice through research and then teaching them to take action with its results. Her belief that researching the problems that Hispanics face and using the data to inform politicians empowers Latinos to help themselves. Dr. Giachello has fought for the rights of Latinos in Chicago's Department of Public Health. She's volunteered on the campaign to elect Chicago's first African-American mayor, Harold Washington, and then established both the offices of Latino and Women's Affairs in his administration. Her approach has gained her national and international acclaim. For this, we honor Dr. Aida Giachello as our 2006 Triunfador. Dr. Giachello founded the Midwest Latino Health Research, Training, and Policy Center at the University of Illinois. The center focuses on the needs of Latinos dealing with diabetes, asthma, and cancer. Her community-based approach engages the Latino population to conduct research themselves and then mobilizes them to effect change within their community. She then helps with media releases, press conferences, training, curriculum development, legal action, and campaigns. In one stunning example, the center helped Chicago Latinos identify a petrochemical plant as the source of increasing rates of asthma and other respiratory problems. Dr. Giachello taught local Latinos how to analyze the research and help them mobilize with media relations and legal action. The ensuing lawsuit forced the EPA to clamp down on the plant and tighten its pollution controls. The center is heralded for its Train the Trainer programs, educating Latinos to train their peers rather than health professionals. The curriculum is shared with universities and departments of health around the country, universities in Peru and Puerto Rico, and is even used by the Pan American Health Organization. Dr. Giachello's center mobilizes community residents to work with restaurants and grocery stores to carry fruits and vegetables. The center has 3 diabetes centers in struggling Chicago neighborhoods that serve thousands of people monthly. Dr. Giachello believes training people from the community builds their self-esteem and spurs them to go on to greater accomplishments. They start dreaming. They discover themselves. They realize they have the ability to educate others. Born in a poor barrio in Puerto Rico, neither of her parents was educated past grade school, and the family eked out a living running a small restaurant. Dr. Giachello's mother pushed her daughter to get an education so that she would not have to suffer the poverty and domestic violence she had. She earned her BA in Sociology and Psychology from the University of Puerto Rico and her Master's in Social Work and her PhD from the University of Chicago. But getting that education was not easy. Family and even teachers discouraged her. My father did not believe that I should go to college because he said that he would not support me. Her husband of 35 years chose to support her in her work, and until his death 2 years ago was one of her closest friends. Her inspiring work continues to help universities and governments across the globe improve the health and lives of Latinos. Dr. Giachello has been recognized by Time magazine as one of the 25 most influential Hispanics in the United States. The Hispanic Scholarship Fund is pleased to honor Dr. Aida Giachello as our 2006 Triunfador.